You are going to love the 2018 Acura RLX. The Acura RLX is a full-size luxury sedan that sets itself apart. Its interior is beautiful, spacious, big, light, and airy. The Acura RLX features elegant styling which gives buyers even more exclusivity luxury owners crave. You can't resist it. This vehicle has less than 500 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, autonomous braking, voice-activated navigation system, audio, internet radio, Pandora, clock, power brakes, compass, child safety locks, trip computer. Come see the car for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.